You know? This is not going to make you rich. It's just not. I'm going to speak some truths today. Some harsh reality. Real harsh reality. You adjust this camera. Fix this goby. Hi guys. Your favorite YouTube vlogger, I hope. I'm going to speak some truth today. Another beautiful day turning into night. Hopefully I don't have to get my LED light to put some light on the situation. But you know, I was thinking, YouTube's not going to make you rich, man. You are not going to get rich doing this stuff. The reason why I'm making this video is because I think a lot of people think that they're going to become this Casey Neistat or the next Mr. Beast or something. Very, very highly unlikely. It's just not going to happen. And I thought it was important to come on today and vlog about being a YouTube creator and becoming rich being a YouTube creator. So, if you don't know, which you should know if you've been following my channel, I am not monetized on this channel. I've been doing it for 5 years, but not really consistently for 5 years. But this year, I've been really pumping out a good amount of videos. And still not monetized, not even close to monetized. I generally think that vlogging is probably going to be difficult to monetize. I mean, yeah, Casey Neistat, Mr. Beast, or whatever, these guys are the OGs of vlogging, I guess, or of YouTube. Yeah, you know, that was a long time ago. And nowadays, you're not gonna get rich doing this. I mean, I hope to make $50 a month from it. And I just think I wanted to come up here today, come on start the vlog today, just telling the truth. I think a lot of these gurus, how do you even say that? A lot of these YouTube professionals who do videos on growing on YouTube, a lot of them are not really being honest with you. I don't think they're telling you the truth about how difficult it is to make money, specifically making money through YouTube AdSense. I mean, it's bad enough, like I remember when I started I had a blog, like a website. I still have a website. And the most I ever made on that website, years, like a decade, the most I ever made on that website was like $100, $150. And I don't know. YouTube is probably even more difficult than that website. And I don't know. Let me just lock this in here a little bit. There we go. How's that? That's what I love about this. Authenticity. I don't know if I'm shaking around, but there we go. Look at that. My arm was getting tired. Not really. I just wanted to test this out a little bit and see if I could put this against the fence here and do this. There you go. Not bad. Fix that there. Look at that. Perfect. So, what are we talking about? Becoming rich on YouTube. Not going to happen. I think what it is that I think the secret to YouTube and to make any AdSense is consistency, loading videos, authenticity, and it's going to take, I think it's going to take me years with this current channel that I run, my channel. And I'm okay with that. But I'm here to tell you, I'm here to say to you or tell you that you have to be okay with that. I know this. I've done this for 5 years. And I may not be the greatest YouTuber, but I've done this for 5 years. And I didn't make a cent. I haven't even, what was it, 4,000 watch hours? Forget it. I'm not even there yet. And, you know, maybe, who knows, maybe this video blows up. I still won't be there. And I just wanted to come up and say that a little bit as I take this off here. A little shaky. I love this, man. This is nice and authentic. I just decided to come out and talk about this. So, where's that leaving us? What should we do as new, young YouTube creators? Now you know that it's verified by me that you can't get rich from creating a YouTube channel with AdSense. Now, I hope that one day I write a book, or I hope that one day I connect with people and it leads to some kind of future income. I don't know. It's a grand design thinking, but you never know. I mean, it happened for Mr. Beast, and he's getting a contract on Netflix or something like that. I just, you know, that's like winning the lotto, but you never know. You know, maybe you are different than me. Maybe you have a product, or you have a special thing that you can do that resonates with somebody. You end up doing a partnership with a famous YouTuber or a news channel or something, Netflix or something like that. That may happen. It may happen for me. You never know. I mean, who knows? One of these videos blow up and I become the greatest YouTuber in the history of the world. I know this sounds like a downer type vlog, and in many ways it is. But in many ways, it's a motivational type vlog. Because what I really want you guys to do is to go out there and do what you enjoy. So I don't know if it shows on my channel. I don't know if you believe me or if you could see it, but I'm enjoying this year YouTubing or vlogging on YouTube. I'm enjoying making videos on my channel. Something I haven't felt since the first year. And in many ways, it feels better because I'm just being myself. One of these days, I'm going to utilize this tool, YouTube, and really, really help as many people as I can. What I mean by that is, I don't know, maybe because one of my big things is that, you know, I know how to invest money, and maybe I leverage that, and basically it could, you know, maybe I'll leverage that and it could lead to a channel where I help people save, invest. Again, like I really originally wanted to start. Or maybe I just help vloggers invest. Maybe become a vlogging investment guru. How about that? I don't know. Right now I want to help people get out, grab their camera, their phone, their webcam, something, and just create on YouTube. I want them to do that because I think also this is, I don't know how to say it, this is very meditating. And I think it's good for the psyche. And I think that it helps with depression, maybe. I don't know. I think it helps a lot because, I don't know, you get to, I don't know, free some stuff up, you know, maybe, I can't even explain it. You know what you just got to do, go out there and just create videos and see what I mean. And maybe this is not a video for people who have been doing it for a while, but it's definitely a video for people who are thinking of doing YouTube and just want to be real. The money shouldn't be the motivator on this one. It really shouldn't be. It really should be you creating something that can kind of be a legacy. Something like that. And I'm telling you, I think you'll feel good about it. Do not think about the riches of YouTube. Do not compare yourself to the Mr. Beasts of the world. You can't do that. You're not there, and you may never be there. And that's why I really came on today, and I figured I wanted to talk about this because I just think a lot of people think they can get rich on YouTube or even TikTok or any of these other platforms. I mean, maybe if you put super serious work into it and you have some kind of, I don't know, product or service, I don't know, maybe it could kind of help with your business that you have. You know, you have a YouTube channel that kind of complements your real business, whatever business it may be. Maybe like that, it could help get you more clients or something like that. I don't know. But what I'm saying to you is, I think it's unrealistic to think that you could get wealthy at doing this. I just don't think you can. Let's see what happens. I mean, I'm going to be doing this, I think, for a little while. Let's see what happens. And when I finally get monetized, whenever that case may be, or when that day will come, I will share it with you. How disastrous it's going to possibly be. All right, so I think that's about it today, guys. On this beautiful day going into night. Hopefully the Action 5 looks great. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.